The new Google App Builder is honestly one of the most mind-blowing tools Google has released this year. Because for the first time, you can build full apps, even games, without writing a single line of code. And I'm not talking about basic templates or drag-and-drop blocks. I'm talking about describing what you want in plain English, and Gemini builds the whole thing for you. So here's what happened. I opened Google AI Studio, clicked on the Build section, and I typed a simple prompt. Something like, I want a small interactive game where the player taps to jump over obstacles. Make it colorful and mobile-friendly. That's it. I hit generate, and within minutes, I had a fully working game. Not a mock-up, not a concept, a real, interactive game with logic, animations, restart mechanics, and scoring. All automatically coded by Gemini. And I never touched HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. You don't even have to think like a programmer. You just describe your idea the same way you'd explain it to a friend, and Gemini creates the app structure, the UI, the styling, and the functionality. If you want changes, you just tell it. Make the colors brighter. Add sound effects. Increase the difficulty. And it instantly regenerates the updated version. What makes this even crazier is the speed. Normally, building a small game or app can take hours, sometimes days, even if you know how to code. But with Google App Builder, the iteration loop becomes nearly instant. You think it, you type it, and it shows up fully built. And this isn't limited to games. You can build productivity tools, calculators, forms, dashboards, small websites, interactive widgets, pretty much anything that can run in a browser. Google's infrastructure handles the rest. You can literally go from idea to deployment faster than you can explain the idea to a developer. This feels like the beginning of a major shift in how apps get built. Because when anyone can turn an idea into a working prototype in minutes, the entire barrier to entry disappears. You don't need to be a coder. You don't need to hire a team. You don't need months of development. Your imagination becomes the only limit. And that's why this tool is so powerful. It's not just making app development easier, it's democratizing it. If you have an idea, you can build it. If you want to test a concept, you can do it instantly. If you want to learn app design, you get to explore it without hitting technical walls. I genuinely believe tools like this are going to change who gets to innovate. Because now, anyone can. If you want to try it yourself, just go to Google AI Studio, click Build, and type your idea. That's literally all it takes. If you want more videos on AI tools that help you build apps, automate workflows, and prototype ideas faster than ever, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and drop your next app idea in the comments. I might build it in the next episode.